Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MediaPad T5 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. Let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard, for example the settings, the search section, the browser, some kind of notes, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to enter the settings. So let's tap on them. And here we have to find on this settings icon again with this plus, so we can enter some further options which are not visible here. So let's tap on it, and here we can tap on languages. And as you can see, we've got three different layouts which we can use. Here we've got our languages, so the languages which are currently applied. Here we've got pre-installed languages from which we can pick something. However, if you will not find the language, your language right here, no worries, just tap on all languages, because basically not all are kind of downloaded. But no worries, because you can find it right here and tap on it and download it. So that's okay. However, let me pick something from the pre-installed options just to save some time. And I'd like to show you maybe this one. Let's simply tap on the language, and as you can see, we've got this information and that the language has been immediately applied. And whenever we will go back to the top to our languages, we've got the newly added language right here. If you want to change your language completely, so if you don't want to have like 2 or 3 different languages added, you can remove the language right now just by tapping on the switcher. So we can remove the English. However, I don't want to do it because I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 different languages or 3 added. However, after that, I'll come back to this section and turn off one of the languages. So after adding the language, we can go back. Can we open the keyword right here? Yes, we can. So as you can see right now on the spacebar, we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So here we've got English. And in order to change the layout, we have to swipe our finger on the spacebar to the left or to the right. It does not matter. And as you can see, after swiping, I can easily switch to another language. So basically, this is how it works. And as I said, of course, we can remove the language, just come back to the, or actually we don't have to do it like that. We can, okay. Let's come back. I just wanted to enter the section with languages to remove one of them, and unfortunately in my case it will be this beautiful language because I have no idea how to type in it. So first of all, you can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher, but it will be on this kind of shortcut list, so you don't have to look for it again. You can just turn it on whenever you need it. But if you want to remove it from this list, simply long press to delete, tap on delete. And we've got only English left or any other language you'd like to use. And right now you can check that the spacebar, it's still not empty because we've got the name of the keyboard type here, so the Swift key. However, we cannot swipe on it to change the language, which means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.